Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is Sandy Nagel for Paints and Glitter. Today I'm sharing a DIY hat box that I made using the SVG hat box file from Paints and Glitter. You'll find a link to Paints and Glitter in the area right underneath this video, and also you might want to look for me in the Paints and Glitter blog. The best part about making this hat box was seeing it all come together and then later decorating it. You can use these hat boxes for gift giving, snail mail giving, and even to house small mini albums. I hope that you've enjoyed my project share, and go ahead and pay Paints and Glitter a visit and let them know that Sandy sent you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.